Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this Canon lens. So this one is EFM 22 millimeters f2 STM. So I watch a lot of good reviews about this Canon lens. So this is perfectly designed for mirrorless camera M50. Yep. Okay. So in the box there's a warranty paper, warranty card, and some instruction. Okay, then let's see the lens. So it is safely wrapped with the bubble wrap, and here is the opening. So very small. Okay, right now my M50 has a kit lens, so this one is 15 to 45. So I will try this one. To install it, yeah, first I would like to remove this side, then this one as well. To remove the lens, I press this button, then turn, then it's removed. To put this one, so you can see the white dot here, and also there's a white dot there. Should align that one, then twist, turn, and then it's locked there. It's good to go. So just remove the lens cover. See, it's very small. Okay, try some turn this on. Now you can see this one. So this is not a zoom lens, so it's just a standard one fixed focal point. So if you want to make the object closer, then you need to move the camera closer. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So I will be using this one on my succeeding videos as well. The way to add to this unboxing video, I will show you this one. Previously I was using this kit lens, 15 to 45 millimeters, and this has an aperture of the minimum of 3.5, as you can see here, 3.5. But now I can move this one. I can change this aperture up to 2, so it's more open. Okay, so really nice. So this one will allow more light to go into the camera. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you for watching.